Hello, this is CyberDragon. Today I'm going to talk about Crazy ONet Finding Connect Pairs app. You can download on Google Play Store. What it does is you just do some matching, and it contains ads. When you first sign in, they'll give you like $20 to begin. How to play is very simple. Match and further images, collect more stars. The more stars you collect, you can use the exchange. It's easy, play free unlimited levels, sharpen your brain, solving challenges. What it is good for is, yeah, it's good for critical thinking, help you use your brain. You contact only the developer by intropoga@gmail.com. So this gmail.com, usually it's not a company website, it's a personal business. They develop the app, they control everything in the app, and you can open PayPal or Amazon gift card. And there are requirements to withdraw. Well, the first thing you can download is like a beta test or something because it's brand new this year. It's by the Mango Games category. It's ready to eat for everyone. It says, okay, you can win $1,000 PayPal cash. What you do is they'll give you like $100 to begin with. You just build your way. Usually takes about 1 day or less. It's a payments in 24 hours. This is link your PayPal account to it. Relatively simple. And they won't charge you unless you purchase something. And then the next thing is, okay, after some amount of time, you got it. I got to the $1,000 limit. And cash out, right? Cash out, no problem. Then it says as view that I actually played and all that stuff, verify account, stuff like that. So it takes about 72 hours. That's it. In order to reduce the time, you can watch, like, play the game, watch ads, reduce 30 minutes until that 72 hours. Majority it takes too long, so I pretty much I play a few rounds and then wait it out. Wait about next day. I look for the was the $1,000 on the past activity section. It is not there, so it went somewhere. Unless they decide not to pay people, then they change the rules for the PayPal. Okay, so you $300 watch 100 ads. $1,000 watch 200 ads. Amazon is $300 watch 200 ads. If you want $1,000, $500 on Amazon gift card, you have to watch 300 ads. They have different terms and conditions. It's relatively simple. If you pass 300 levels and watch 200 or 300 ads, you can get iPhone Pro new one, $14.99 for free. You can also compete every time you get watch an ad, you get 1 star and 1 coin. The coin is used for the Apple Mac, Apple AirPod, and the iPod, Apple iPod. Oh, no, the one for the tablet, iPod, tablet. And then they'll tell you the percentage of winning. They have recent winners that scrolls through every single time. What it seems to me is it looks like a typical scam, but I'll see throughout 3 days if it really gets you money or not. It has no reviews because it's too brand new. If you look in the Google Play Store, it just last updated February 22, 2021, so I think it was created around January or last year. Because they always update the information. They have bugs in the program. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone so they know about creating OneNet. Finding and connect pairs. Is it a scam or is it legit? And watch my other videos. There I have a lot of apps. Some apps do pay you, but you have to meet certain threshold. This one, the advertised didn't meet. You don't need to meet a certain threshold. You can cash out anytime. Based on an ad, that's pretty much telling it's lying to the consumer and to waste their time. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.